Hey everyone, in today's video we are diving into the wrestlers who spent years in WWE and have now made the jump to its biggest competitor AEW. We will take a look at their debuts in both companies, how long they have been with each, their ring names and their ages. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Edge. Edge made his WWE debut on July 1, 1992 and worked with the company for 23 years. On October 2, 2003, Edge debuted in AEW, where he wrestles under his real name Adam Copeland. He has been working in AEW for the past year. Edge's real name is Adam Joseph Copeland, and as of 2024, he is 50 years old. Number 2. Big Show. Big Show debuted in WWE on February 22, 1999 and worked there for 15 years. On March 4, 2021, he made his AEW debut, wrestling under the ring name Paul Witt. He has been working in AEW for the last 4 years. His real name is Paul Tonert Witt, and as of 2024, Big Show is 50 years old. Number 3. Lana. Lana made her WWE debut on September 12, 2013 and worked with the company for 8 years. On September 5, 2023, she made her debut in AEW using the ring name CJ Perry. She has been with AEW for 1 year. Lana's real name is Catherine Joy, and as of 2024, she is 39 years old. Number 4. Luke Harper. Luke Harper debuted in WWE on November 7, 2012 and worked there for 7 years. He made his AEW debut on May 18, 2020, wrestling under the ring name Brodie Lee. His AEW career lasted 7 months. Luke Harper's real name was Jonathan Huber, and he passed away at the age of 41. Number 5. Neville. Neville made his WWE debut on January 16, 2013 and worked with the company for 6 years. On September 1, 2019, he debuted in AEW, wrestling under the ring name Pac. He has been working in AEW for 5 years. Neville's real name is Benjamin Satterley, and as of 2024, he is 38 years old. Number 6. Cesaro. Cesaro made his WWE debut on October 9, 2013 and worked with the company for 5 years. On June 27, 2022, he debuted in AEW under his real name Claudio Castagnoli. He has been working in AEW for the past 4 years. As of 2024, Cesaro is 43 years old. Number 7. Daniel Bryan. Daniel Bryan debuted in WWE on October 4, 1999 and spent 20 years with the company. On September 6, 2021, he made his AEW debut under the ring name Bryan Danielson. He has been with AEW for 4 years. His real name is Bryan Lloyd Danielson, and as of 2024, Daniel Bryan is 43 years old. Number 8. Paige. Paige made her WWE debut on April 7, 2014 and worked with the company for 7 years. On September 22, 2021, she debuted in AEW under the ring name Saraya. She has been working in AEW for 4 years. Her real name is Saraya Jet Pavis, and as of 2024, Paige is 32 years old. Number 9. Goldust. Goldust debuted in WWE on January 20, 2002 and worked there for 15 years. He debuted in AEW on April 20, 2019 under the ring name Dustin Rhodes. Goldust has been working in AEW for 6 years. His real name is Dustin Patrick Runnels, and as of 2024, he is 55 years old. Number 10. Chris Jericho. Chris Jericho made his WWE debut on March 5, 2001 and spent 18 years with the company. On February 7, 2019, he debuted in AEW, continuing to use the name Chris Jericho. He has been working in AEW for 6 years. His real name is Christopher Catharvin, and as of 2024, Chris Jericho is 53 years old. Number 11. Jack Swagger. Jack Swagger debuted in WWE on June 29, 2009. He worked for 5 years. He has made his AEW debut on October 2, 2019 under the ring name Jack Hager. He has been working in AEW for 5 years. His real name is Donald Jacob Hager Jr. and as of 2024 he is 42 years old. Number 12. Christian Cage. Christian Cage debuted in WWE on September 27, 1998 and worked for 14 years. He made his AEW debut on March 7, 2021 under the ring name Christian Cage. He has been with AEW for 4 years. His real name is William Jason Russo and as of 2024 he is 50 years old. Number 13. Ember Moon. Ember Moon debuted in WWE on September 6, 2015 and worked with the company for 5 years. She made her AEW debut on May 29, 2022 under the ring name Athena. She has been in AEW for 3 years. Her real name is Adrienne Palmer and as of 2024 she is 36 years old. Number 14. CM Punk. CM Punk debuted in WWE on August 1, 2006 and worked there for 10 years. He debuted in AEW on August 20, 2021, continuing to use the name CM Punk. He has been with AEW for 2 years. His real name is Cliff Jeffrey and as of 2024 CM Punk is 45 years old. Number 15. Sasha Banks. Sasha Banks debuted in WWE on June 18, 2012 and worked there for 8 years. On March 13, 2024, she debuted in AEW under the ring name Mercedes Moon. She has been with AEW for 6 months. Her real name is Mercedes Justine Castro Bernardo. As of 2024, Sasha Banks is 32 years old. Number 16. Stardust. Stardust made his WWE debut on July 16, 2007 and worked with the company for 10 years. On January 1, 2019, he made his AEW debut under the ring name Cody Rhodes. He has been working in AEW for 3 years. His real name is Cody Garrett Reynolds Rhodes and as of 2024, Stardust is 39 years old. Number 17. Jeff Hardy. Jeff Hardy debuted in WWE on May 23, 1994 and spent 20 years with the company. On March 10, 2022, he made his AEW debut, continuing to use the ring name Jeff Hardy. He has been in AEW for 3 years. His real name is Jeffrey Nero Hardy and as of 2024, Jeff Hardy is 47 years old. Number 18. Matt Hardy. Matt Hardy made his WWE debut on May 23, 1994, working for 20 years. He debuted in AEW on March 18, 2020 under the ring name Matt Hardy. He has been working in AEW for 5 years. His real name is Matthew Murray Hardy and as of 2024, Matt Hardy is 49 years old. Number 19. Renee Young. Renee Young debuted in WWE on March 29, 2013 and worked with the company for 8 years. On October 12, 2022, she made her AEW debut under the ring name Renee Paquette. She has been with AEW for 3 years. Her real name is Renee Chan Paquette and as of 2024, Renee Young is 38 years old. Number 20. Rusev. Rusev debuted in WWE on November 22, 2008 and worked for 12 years. On September 20, 2020, he made his AEW debut under the name Miro. He has been in AEW for 5 years. His real name is Miroslav Petrov Banashev and as of 2024, Rusev is 38 years old. Number 21 is Sting. Sting made his WWE debut on April 12, 2001 and worked for 24 years. He debuted in AEW on December 3, 2020 using the same name Sting. He has been with AEW for 4 years. His real name is Steve Gordon and as of 2024, Sting is 65 years old. Number 22. Andrade. Andrade debuted in WWE on November 19, 2015 and worked for 5 years. On June 4, 2021, he made his AEW debut under the name Andrade El Idolo. He has been in AEW for 4 years. His real name is Manuel Alfonso Andrade Oropeza and as of 2024, Andrade is 34 years old. Number 23. Aleister Black. Aleister Black made his WWE debut on January 7, 2017 and worked for 4 years. He debuted in AEW on July 7, 2021 under the name Malakai Black. He has been with AEW for 4 years. His real name is Tom Burchan, and as of 2024, Aleister Black is 39 years old. Number 24, Kath Lee. Kath Lee made his WWE debut on April 5, 2018 and worked for 4 years. On February 9, 2022, he made his AEW debut under the name Kath Lee. He has been in AEW for 2 years. His real name is Kat Gerard Lee. As of 2024, Kath Lee is 39 years old. Number 25, Tye Dillinger. Tye Dillinger debuted in WWE on September 15, 2013 and worked for 4 years. He made his AEW debut on May 25, 2019 under the name Shawn Spears. He has been working in AEW for 6 years. His real name is Ronnie William Erning, and as of 2024, Tye Dillinger is 43 years old. Number 26, Lio Rush. Lio Rush made his WWE debut on October 11, 2014 and worked with the company for 9 years. On October 2, 2023, he made his AEW debut under the same ring name Lio Rush. He has been with AEW for 1 year. His real name is Lonian Beard Green, and as of 2024, Lio Rush is 29 years old. Number 27, Billy Gunn. Billy Gunn debuted in WWE on May 17, 1993 and worked with the company for 12 years. He made his AEW debut on October 12, 2022, still using the ring name Billy Gunn. He has been in AEW for 2 years. His real name is Monty Kipsop, and as of 2024, Billy Gunn is 60 years old. Number 28, Ruby Riott. Ruby Riott debuted in WWE on December 15, 2016 and worked with the company for 3 years. On June 18, 2021, she made her AEW debut under the ring name Ruby Soho. She has been in AEW for 4 years. Her real name is Tori Elizabeth Branch, and as of 2024, Ruby Riott is 33 years old. Number 29, Christopher Daniels. Christopher Daniels made his WWE debut on January 19, 1998 and worked with the company for 8 years. On January 16, 2019, he debuted in AEW under the same name Christopher Daniels. He has been with AEW for 5 years. His real name is Christopher Daniel Cowell, and as of 2024, Christopher Daniel is 54 years old. Number 30, Samoa Joe. Samoa Joe debuted in WWE on June 19, 2015 and worked with the company for 6 years. He made his AEW debut on April 7, 2022, still using the ring name Samoa Joe. He has been with AEW for 3 years. His real name is Nufolao Joel Joe Sinoa, and as of 2024, Samoa Joe is 45 years old. Number 31, John Morrison. John Morrison made his WWE debut on September 18, 2002 and worked with the company for 14 years. On May 19, 2022, he made his AEW debut under the ring name Johnny TV. He has been with AEW for 3 years. His real name is John Randall Hannigan, and as of 2024, John Morrison is 44 years old. Number 32, Buddy Matthews. Buddy Matthews debuted in WWE on March 17, 2013 and worked with the company for 4 years. He made his AEW debut on February 23, 2022 using the same ring name Buddy Matthews. He has been with AEW for 2 years. His real name is Matthew Adams, and as of 2024, Buddy Matthews is 35 years old. Number 33, Big Cass. Big Cass made his WWE debut on July 3, 2013 and worked with the company for 6 years. On May 5, 2022, he debuted in AEW under the ring name Big Bill. He has been with AEW for 3 years. His real name is William Morrissey, and as of 2024, Big Cass is 38 years old. Number 34, Jeff Jarrett. Jeff Jarrett debuted in WWE on December 20, 1993 and worked with the company for 10 years. On November 3, 2022, he made his AEW debut under the same ring name Jeff Jarrett. He has been with AEW for 2 years. His real name is Jeffrey Leonard Jarrett, and as of 2024, Jeff Jarrett is 57 years old. Number 35, Dean Ambrose. Dean Ambrose made his WWE debut on November 18, 2012 and worked with the company for 6 years. On May 1, 2019, he debuted in AEW under the ring name Jon Moxley. He has been with AEW for 5 years. His real name is Jonathan David Good, and as of 2024, Dean Ambrose is 38 years old. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the WWE stars now in AEW. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Wrestle Series Comparison for more insights into your favorite wrestlers. See you in the next video.